Hello guys, welcome back to One of the Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you what is Pure Dating app and how to use it. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, what is a Pure Dating app here? Now Pure is a minimalist dating app designed for spontaneous, no strings attached encounters. Unlike traditional dating platforms, Pure emphasizes anonymity and immediacy. Now, users create temporary personal ads that disappear after 24 hours with profiles consisting solely of a selfie and a brief description. Now, when two users mutually like each other's ad, a chat window opens, allowing them to communicate via text or audio or even video. All messages are automatically deleted after 24 hours unless both parties choose to extend the conversation. This design caters to individuals seeking casual, discreet connections without long-term commitments. However, it's worth noting that Pure's effectiveness can vary depending on the user density in your area, and some users have reported technical issues and concerns about location tracking features. But yeah, so basically, Pure Dating app here is an alternative platform that you may want to use beside, like, for example, Bumble or even Tinder. So you can actually get this via the Apple Store or the Google Play Store here. So you just need to open up your Google Play Store here if you have an Android device, or the Apple Store if you have a Apple device. Now, in this case, you just need to search for Pure Anonymous Dating and Chat here. Search for it and just click on the install button in order for you to start using it. Now, signing up is actually pretty simple. You could actually use your Google account to sign up with your account here. And usually, as you can see, you can sign up via the website as well. So you can go in with your Google account and just basically provide all the necessary details. That includes a picture and some basic information about yourself. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.